Making ground bologna for ground bologna sandwiches today.
Rebel canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. We all can use a little bit more of the old ways these days.
Sure to pick out any of the little green elderberries. Welcome back, Rebel Canners. So this recipe is a favorite of my mother, who's now passed. It is a Great Depression recipe, and I'm going to share it with you. It's something we love to make before we go camping because we can keep it in the cooler for a couple of days, and the kids can quickly go in and make themselves a sandwich real quick. And yeah, it's also my son's favorite. And so I'm going to share with you the recipe for ground bologna sandwich meat, or spread, I guess I should say. Right? So we're making ground bologna. How do we make ground bologna, Becca?
We grind the meat up first.
And that was about $30 for how much? 3 pounds?
4 1/3 ish.
Oh. Price of bologna's went up.
It's thick. It used to be bologna was the cheap meat, not
Yeah.
so much anymore.
Nothing's cheap anymore.
Gremlin child? What?
There's something in it.
Spices.
Yeah,
It's a little peppercorn.
No, like the apple. There's
Go away. I paid the tax.
Child tax.
I paid the child tax. So I just chunk it. And then
We've already made one
Stick it
batch
in
and you made me run get more.
yep,
And what are you making this for?
camping.
This was my mom's favorite. And this is a tradition when Becca's family goes camping to make it. So, this was a Depression era food. And back in the Depression, making it into ground bologna made it go farther.
I told you I paid the child tax. Go.
okay, bye.
And you can do it that way. You can also do it this. This makes it a little mushier. So we wanted some of the really hard regular bologna.
I've also heard of people using hot dogs. I don't like it, but I've heard of it.
And that's the consistency you're looking for right there.
Too much in there.
So just so you know, this is roughly 10 pounds of ground bologna that we're going to make into ground bologna sandwich spread. Take some out and freeze it now before we mix it, because you don't want to freeze it with the mayonnaise in there.
Correct.
All right.
But if you freeze it now after it's already ground, I don't have to worry about breaking out the equipment to regrind it later.
Yep. One mess.
Yep.
Grinding up now. What are you
Onion.
grinding up now?
I've already kind of rough chopped it into some big chunks.
And it's onion.
Yep. Whatever kind. This one's sweet. Sweet onion.
About how much bologna do you think we have in there? Just the bologna.
I don't know, probably 6 pounds or so. I'd say.
Okay, I thought we had, well, all right. And then about 1 whole onion
Yeah, give or take.
going in.
Yep. That looks better.
Got the onion mixed in. And an entire can of, and this is dill relish. There's 2 camps, sweet and dill relish. And this is a dill relish.
I eat it with sweet relish, but I prefer it with dill. So when I make it with dill. Here's a big old chunk of bologna.
And you put it in juice and all.
Dump the whole jar in.
All right, and this is what? Real mayo?
Yep.
Hellman's if you got it. Otherwise,
I mean, we're not picky in this house. We buy great value too. We don't care. I know some people swear by their mayonnaise, but
oh yeah. Comment below which mayonnaise you prefer.
I've had them all, even Duke's.
Duke's is good.
Duke's is
really good.
Duke's is very good, but
Anyway, comment below. If you get this far in the video, comment below which is your favorite real mayonnaise.
looks good.
So you want a nice spreadable consistency. We're not done yet, but that's want to guess on how much mustard that is roughly?
About that much.
Measure with your heart. Measure with your
I
heart.
have no idea.
What you doing?
Stirring it.
What are you adding?
Garlic powder.
Measuring with your heart again?
Always. Is there really any other way to measure? Sounds like my batteries are dying.
That pepper grinder's working overtime over there. The color doesn't look good on the camera, but it is nice and pink.
Sounds like it's time for more peppercorns too. And of course,
Wood-fired garlic.
a sprinkle of wood-fired garlic. Well, a few sprinkles, but
Kinder's wood-fired garlic.
of course.
One of my favorites
We're
right
up
now.
for sponsorship.
Yes, contact me. I put it in all my food. Or if you have another brand and you think it's better, contact me. I'm willing to give you, a chance. Okay, I'm really just addicted to spices and have a huge spice cabinet, but
Kinder's is our favorite though.
right now, yes.
I haven't found anything that compares.
Well, we did like the other. We haven't been able to get the shit and chicken shit and bullshit spices. Those were our favorite last couple years ago.
I like this one.
All right, taste test.
Yep. Need a little more mustard.
A little more mustard going in.
It's probably
Just
about quarter cup or say before.
Maybe a quarter cup before, and now a splash more. It's one of those binders. It just makes all the spices pop better.
Mm-hmm. Taste test again.
Yep.
Yep.
Done?
Yep.
Voila. And there you have it. A massive bowl of ground bologna to take camping for the whole campground. Have a great day, Rebel Canners. Hey, be sure you're subscribed, because sometimes YouTube does some funny things with that. And be sure to hit the like button on your way out. This jam received a 4-star and 2 thumbs up rating by all of the campers who got to watch the jam making demonstration.